Hey, Kevin. This is Louise and Kevin with thepewterpalace.com, and today we are working on our spare Rockguard, which we are retrofitting to be a rear Rockguard on our 1987 Avion 32S. And this was had seen a little bit better times. There was some cracking and some rusted out stuff, and the whole plastic, as per usual, needed supporting because of the inherent design of these Rockguards. They always cracked along that top line from the stress. So Kevin will explain to you what he's doing right now.
Oh, what I'm doing now is I have 1/4 inch thick aluminum by 1.25 inch. I'm making a sandwich. This goes on the track.
Yep, this is the original track right here.
That slides onto the Avion.
Yep.
So I'm sandwiching the material between the two aluminum pieces to stiffen it up. And to hold in place, Louisa put double-faced Gorilla Tape in there, so make a little sandwich will hold in place until I got these put on.
Yep.
And so I'm using the Olympic rivets. You can see here they're nice, clean. They can be shaven down, but I'm not going to do it because we're never going to see them. And once I get this done, and the following day we're going to be taking it down to a place that puts a coating on it. So it's going to be about a 1/4 thickness. So the inside will be like the front of ours with a white.
Yep.
So
we'll do
it
the
reflects
inside white
light inside, so it keeps the trailer nice and bright. The outside is going to be a similar gray, what we already had.
Right.
But it's going to add that protection.
And
on
it's
the
actually
Rockguard.
what they're spraying on is the rust proofing that you would spray in the bed of a truck. Yeah. It's the same material, which some people have already done on their Avions pretty successfully. So we thought we'd give that a whirl. So that's our project today.
And of course I'm using my Milwaukee
12
volt.
The power gun is just so superior. Watch this. Done. I mean, that's it. And you don't have to sit there and click, and you're moving the handle around and stuff. It's great. All right, that's our project for today. If you haven't subscribed already to the Pewter Palace on YouTube, please do. We'd really appreciate it. You can find us at the Pewter Palace on YouTube. Thanks. Have a great day.